Hi guys, welcome back to another new vlog. So I was just sipping on my chai at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I woke up late because I stayed late last night. I had to edit the video and I woke up early in the morning and uploaded the video because when it is 10 o'clock there, almost like 6:30 here. So I just got up and I was preparing my lunch. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm shifting to a new apartment from August. So it's a beautiful 2 BHK apartment. The reason why we are leaving this place is it doesn't have separate room for our other two friends, and as soon as we wake up we don't have any place to sit, listen to music or talk on call. We need to take our food to our bedroom, which is a bit uncomfortable. So we just found a new place and me and my roommate are shifting there with two other girls. So I'll make a home tour. It's so beautiful and I just want to set up like a corner for my YouTube videos, DIY things from scrap. I just want to, so I'll be vlogging that of course. So yeah, I also have to go live on Instagram and we reached 12k subscribers. Thank you so much. Please do share the videos if you like any videos. So my chicken curry is ready and I'm just gonna have this with some rice. So usually in the afternoons I sit and study something for at least 2 hours from 3 to 5. So I'm taking this Google Analytics for Beginners certification that is from Google and it's totally free. So this is the certification I'm doing, and this is a free tool where you can log in and use tools to analyze data. So I'm gonna go live on Instagram now. I am not wearing any makeup right now. I've just put on some lipstick. So yeah.
Video. Hello, ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ನಾವು ಧಾರವಾಡದಾಗ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಯಾ ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? Hi my. Okay, let's talk about
my new channel. Let's talk about it in sometimes. It's standard. Yeah. You shouldn't use Instagram this much. You should have fun. Go on. So I just got done with my live right now and I was just talking to them if I have to start a new channel for my Kannada content, funny vlogs. I put up these realization videos on Instagram. If you guys are not following me, you guys can go and check out those. They're like funny, people are enjoying. So I just thought I create a channel and start putting up videos there. And I just need a good name for my channel. I'm planning to start it from August. So I'm just planning the content. If I can just put up one video in a week, Nam Uttar Karnataka Bhashanaga. So that's the plan. And I'll just quickly have my chai and start packing. And also we need to clean our kitchen because there will be 2 new replacements coming in our room and they need well cleaned room. So yeah, this sweet ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧಿಸಿದೆ
ಚೈನಾಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಲ್ವಾ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸಾರಿ, ಅದು
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ತಡಿ ನಾನು. ಏನಿದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್?
ಚೈನಾಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಲ್ವಾ.
ಗೋಧಿ ಹಲ್ವಾ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ನೈಸ್. ಏನು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ?
ಚೈನಾಗ್ರಾಸ್.
ಅದೇನದು?
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೈನಾಗ್ರಾಸ್?
ಅದೊಂದು ಜೆಲಾಟಿನ್ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Nice. You prepared this because we are leaving, huh? Thank you. So I'll show you guys how does my room look right now. So this is the mess. I have dumped everything in this drawer and yeah, this is the mess. I need to pack all this today and I have these many clothes for washing. So yeah. So first I'll start taking out clothes from this cupboard. I'm out of patience, so I'm just gonna dump everything in and close it. This is what is happening. Hogala? Come on guys, you can do it, you can do it. So I have to take head bath tomorrow, so I'm just gonna oil my hair, and my hair looks pretty frizzy, and also the black color is just washing out, and I'm just planning to get a new hair color. I'm not really sure. I just can't go to salon. I have to do it at home because salons are expensive here. And yeah, my hair looks really boring, dull. I don't know what's happening with it. I wore a cute braid. Hi guys, good morning. So I washed my hair and I had a good sleep last night, and we will be living in some times, and everything is almost packed. And yeah, that's what I was feeling really low since yesterday, to be very frank. I was, just sitting at a corner because, I have this homely feeling here because this is the first place we shifted as soon as we came to Berlin. And I like all the people upstairs. We have good bonding and we used to cook together, spend time together, that I'm gonna miss. I'm not like living the city, but still, I'm gonna miss them, of course. So yeah, but we have to leave. And I had my lunch, so I'll just give you guys a current tour of my room. So this is how my room is looking. No, it just feels so bad leaving this place. So yeah, and the boys upstairs are gonna come with us, 3 of them. Yep. So we are living. I have this bag. So I just got the keys, and I have a confusion which room to choose. So this is one room. I am just thinking to get that a bed because the window is right next to it and I can shoot videos there. And I have this room option. This is like a huge bedroom. This is gonna be my bed for 6 more months. I'm just checking if the bed is right. I just feel so happy moving to a new place, and the house is just so beautiful, and also the bed is comfortable. And I like to stay in a very small room because it's easy to clean, and because I just can't clean. And also there's something I love about this house is the mirror. We're not really sure where we need to place this, but I love this. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do subscribe and also share this video with your friends. And I'm gonna make like a home tour here. The house is beautiful. I'm just saying it like 100 times. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.